Hi everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to talk about a crucial skill for every developer, how to undo mistakes in Xcode. We've all been there. You accidentally delete a critical line of code, or you go down a path of experimentation that just doesn't work out. It can be stressful, but don't worry. Xcode provides several powerful ways to turn back the clock on your code, and we're going to cover them right now. Let's start with the most basic and common method, the standard undo command. Just like in any text editor, you can press Command+Z on your keyboard to undo your very last action. If you go too far, you can redo it by pressing Shift+Command+Z. This is perfect for correcting small, recent typos or accidental deletions while you're actively typing. But what happens when you've made a lot of messy changes to a single file and just want to start over from the last saved version? Using Command+Z over and over can be tedious. A much better way is to discard all changes in that file. You can do this by finding the file in the Project Navigator on the left. Right-click on the file name and select Discard Changes. Xcode will ask for confirmation, and once you agree, the file will instantly revert to its last committed state, as if you never touched it. This is a real lifesaver. For even more control, you can use Xcode's built-in source control features. If you look at the top of the editor window, you might see a small button with two arrows. Clicking this shows you the code comparison view. Here, you can see exactly what you've changed line by line. On the right side of each changed block, there's a small menu where you can choose to discard change for just that specific block of code, leaving your other edits intact. This is incredibly precise. For a project-wide rollback, we can go to the Source Control Navigator, which is the second tab in the left-hand pane. Here you'll see a list of all your past commits, which are like saved checkpoints for your entire project. You can right-click on any previous commit and choose the checkout option. Be very careful with this one, as it will revert your entire project to that point in time, wiping out any uncommitted changes you've made since. It's the ultimate undo button for when you need to go back to a previously working version of your app. And that's a wrap on the main ways to undo your work in Xcode. From a simple key command to a full project revert using Git, you now have a powerful toolkit to fix mistakes and code with more confidence. Knowing how to recover from errors is just as important as writing new code. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I really hope you found it helpful. If you learned something new, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel for more Xcode tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.